Utopia and dystopia. The term utopia designates the class of fictional writing that represent an ideal, non-existence, political and social way of life. It derives from the Utopia, 1515 to 16, a book written in Latin by Renaissance humorist Sir Thomas More, which described a perfect commonwealth. More formed his title by conflicting the Greek word utopia, good place, and utopia, no place. The first and the greatest instance of the literary type was Plato's Republic, later 4th century BC, which sets forth a dialogue, the eternal idea or form of a perfect commonwealth that can be best be merely approximate by political organization in the actual world. Most of the later utopia, like that of Sir Thomas More, represent that ideal state in the fiction of the distant country reached by the venturesome traveler. There have been many utopia written since. More gave impetus to the Yana, some as mere Arcadian dreams, other intended as blueprint of a social technological improvement in the actual world. They include Tommaso Campanella, City of the Sun, 1623. Franchise, Bacon's New Atlantis, 1627. Edward Bellani's Looking Backward, 1888. William Morris, News from Nowhere. Charlotte Perkins Glimsman, Harland, 1915, and James Hilton, Lost Horizon. The utopia can be distinguished from literary representation of imaginary place which became. They are either inordinately superior to the present world or manifest exaggerated version of some of its unsavory aspects. Severe primary and vehicle of the satire on the contemporary human life and society. Notably example are fourth book of Swift's Gulliver's Travel, 1726, and Samuel Butler's Erewhon, 1872. Samuel Johnson's Rasela, 1759, presents the Happy Valley, which functions as a gentle satire on human stubborn but hopeless dream of utopia. Not only does Russell's discover that no mode of life available in this world guarantees happiness, he also realized that the utopian satisfaction of all human wishes be happy valley.